the quote new fish flush program really is doing the same thing that's been done since 1978, except more water is added into the system from upstream reservoirs to try to flush the fish through the full hydroelectric system. The constraints on this being successful is there's simply not enough water stored in the Snake Basin upstream of the migration habitat to provide velocities long enough and velocities high enough to create the survival that is going to be required for these salmon to recover themselves.
The flush option of moving lots of Idaho water down and pushing those fish through the lower Snake reservoirs basically results in the hydro system not only staying intact, but gaining the benefit of generating electricity off of that extra water that comes through there. And while that would be great if it was all benefit, the downside of that is that you sacrifice the water stored in Idaho to fix a hydroelectric caused problem that didn't occur in Idaho